Hello Leo, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your career, business, money reading for the month of October. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Now Mercury is going retrograde from 14th October, so be very careful with your texts, messages, emails, and especially with your financial transactions. Before confirming any transaction, you double, triple check, triple times, or maybe even require 10 times you need to check it out. So let's see, Leo, what we have for you here in this month of October. Three of Wands. It comes with, let me see, it comes with the Tower. So here it sees that suddenly, something this is a card of successful, this is a card of negotiation, this is a card of, looking action and looking at possibilities. So here it says that there will be some changes will come into this situation for you here. But being the first card, being positive card, is like, if there was something which did not work out for you previously, this time this card is and I think this is talking about your recent past here somewhere. There might be some losses or business not working out, but you are exploring new options, you are looking for new resources, new ideas to work on, and you are looking, you can see here, you are trying to gather information, you are trying to look for possibilities. This is what I get. Long distance travel also, this is what I get here. You could be traveling, so something which did not work previously. There were situations in your career, business, or money situation, job, business, that things, if had fallen apart, you're starting afresh. You're looking for new resources, new ways. That is what I get here. New connections, opportunities to explore. That is what, from at different places. This is what I get here. Gathering new information, meeting and interacting with people, with new people. That is again I get here. So this card, when Three of Wands, a card of success. Usually, so whatever you will be doing now will get you success here. So here we get Ace of Pentacle comes with the Justice card here. So if you are really looking, this card talks about balance. It's a Libra card. Ace of Pentacle is like a card of resources. If there is maybe you are wanting to start something here, so it's a card of you will be getting the resources. There is going to be a help regarding, if it is a monetary situation, you are looking for help to start. This is a potential, this is an opportunity with which you have to nurture, and this is a help coming from the divine regarding a business situation, in an association or your job. So some relief is going to come here, some gains are going to come here, some monetary help is going to come to you, Leo. This is what I get here. And because you have worked hard, you have been focused. Now coming with this card is like to maintain balance, and for very few of you, if there is a legal issue, you have been fighting a legal battle against someone, so it will come in your favor. That will help you, also help you with your money situation here. This is what I get. So if you are going through any legal battle, so it seems that it's a victory card. This is a victory card for you here. It's going to come in your favor and also helping you with some amount of money. This is what I get here. Definitely you are seeing new avenues for work, and that is what I get here, and you are trying to meet people and connections. Sorry, there was some thing going around. New avenues for work, and you are trying to meet new people for collaboration, association. That is what I get here. Hierophant. Four of Wands. So some of you, Leo, will be getting a deal from a prestigious company, or you will be having an contract with a prestigious person, maybe of a reputed company, to work for a project, to work for an association. It could be jobs also. Hierophant card, this big industry, big industries, big prestigious industry, the traditional kind, the conventional kind, who has been there for years and years and been successful. So it seems that there is a deal or some positive deal coming to you. It could be also some of you getting job in such a prestigious company. That is what I feel here. Hierophant is a Taurus card, so a Taurus could be involved. It's fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. It talks about happiness. This will get you happiness. You will feel confident, you will feel happy. That is what I get here. But this also means that you will be meeting a lot of new people, interacting with them, and interaction, and also you will be guided. It's in few of your cases you will be guided by a Taurus or a Hierophant kind, or like a person like Hierophant is like very knowledgeable, very kind, very gentle person who is bound by culture and traditions and values. Could help you get a deal with a prestigious company here. One more thing I would like to add: if you feel that you are due for a promotion and you need it, and you should move forward and ask for it, a raise or a promotion, your case will go into consideration. This is what I get here. Now this card also, somehow when I see this card, you might be traveling to some territories, uncharted territories, like very new, taking out of your comfort zone for for setting up your business. This is what I get. Yeah, business or enterprise. Okay, let's see what. Okay, here, so 7 of Swords with the 6 of Cups. So this is again a warning card. Beware of cheap, quick, rich schemes. 6 of Cups is like somebody from your past could come into your life, and they could be like they could cheat you, they could deceive you. This is a person from your past who might be coming back retrograde. Be careful. But this talks about the cheating, a deceit, a backstabbing, or doing cheap work, getting you losses, getting you bad-mouthing you, causing you stress. This is what I get here, Leo, for you. So be very careful of such person around you. If they are around you at your workplace, at your business place. But this is a person from your past, it seems. They are very immature and selfish, arrogant. That is what I get here, because this is card of like kid-like energy, like immature. So maybe this is like you need to be really careful of a deceit, cheating, the secret deals. Do not go. You might be you might fall in a trap. So be careful of a trap, a quick rich scheme especially. Be very careful. And this could be somebody from the past. This person could be this is what I get here. Somebody you knew, but you need to be careful now. This is what I get here. For some of you, what I get, it's like it could be related to your personal life too, that somebody in your personal life, in your love situation or relationship, could be cheating you, Leo. This is something which I thought I should share, because if your personal life is great, your work life also, it adds to your work life. So this is what I get here. What I feel is that you are challenging yourself to greater success, to greater goals, but there is a good some monetary help, monetary gains definitely coming to you, law coming to you here, law in your favor. This is what I get here. So great card. As such, I only see one pentacle card. That is also a divine of the help of a divine here. So whatever is coming to you will be coming. There are gains definitely with the Ace of Pentacle. It's a divine help, and it seems that October is gonna go great for you here. The lucky number for you here is number 4, Leo, and your lucky color is yellow. So this is it. I'll pull out an angel guidance card for you. We'll go in-depth readings with the in-depth readings every week. Career, business, money, weekly reading. You can just check those videos. Okay, this card popped out. Choices. Make the best choices. So you need to be very careful with making choices. See here, deceit. Then you need to be careful here. And gratitude. So have whatever, I know many Leos are going through very difficult situations. So but you have to see that gratitude is something, whatever you have gratitude. Law of attraction, when you are trying to manifest or attract something in your life, like success, job, money, at that time gratitude is one of the virtues which works excellent. The more you feel gratitude towards having things, whatever is in your life, the quicker, the more easily you attract whatever you want to manifest in life. So this is it. If you do like my reading, subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and till then, take care, stay blessed.